Today on Health Yourself, we're going over 5 health benefits of eating bok choy and learning how bok choy may be able to help prevent cancer. Before we get started, if you're not sure what bok choy is, it's a leafy green vegetable that's used a lot in Asian cuisine. Let's begin. Starting at number 1, bok choy can help to improve your skin health. One of the main compounds that helps to promote the health of our skin is called collagen. Collagen is a protein that our body uses to support our hair, nails, and skin. The problem is over time, it starts to break down and we don't produce as much, especially as we age. Bok choy can help because it contains a common antioxidant we all know, which is vitamin C. Most people know vitamin C can improve our immune system, but it also helps to support the creation of collagen as well. This allows us to fight the signs of aging and early signs of wrinkles. Moving on to number 2, bok choy can help lower levels of high blood pressure. There are 3 specific minerals found in bok choy that help us to bring down high blood pressure. They are magnesium, potassium, and calcium. First, magnesium helps with internal body functions, including being able to reduce blood pressure because it allows your blood vessels to become more relaxed. Next, research has determined that the mineral potassium can reverse the levels of high blood pressure that is typically brought on by high sodium levels. This is because potassium makes sure you lose sodium through your urine, plus decreasing tension around your blood vessel walls. Lastly, calcium is also very similar to magnesium, where it also allows your blood vessels to relax as well. At number 3, bok choy has a nutrient many people lack called choline. Choline is a nutrient that is closely classified with B vitamins because it has some very similar characteristics. Your body produces small amounts of it, but you do need to get it from your diet as well. Choline does many things in the body, but a lot of it comes down to DNA and cell synthesis, which is obviously very important. It not only helps to build cell structures, but it also helps to make certain compounds that allow your cells to communicate with each other. This greatly impacts the status of our nervous system. We're halfway through the video, so hit that subscribe button, join us in our free Telegram group with a link in the description, and check us out on Instagram and Facebook as well. Number 4. Bok choy is the ultimate food for pregnant women. There are 2 factors to look at in regards to this, one being that nutrient we just spoke about, which is choline. Since choline is involved in DNA synthesis, this makes it pretty essential to developing a baby. Also, we talked about how it helps to build cell structures and communication between cells, which again is crucial. Next, we have a B vitamin called folate found in bok choy. In research, the nutrient folate should be consumed by pregnant women, as there is substantial evidence that it can decrease the chances of a baby being born with birth defects. Concluding the video here at number 5, bok choy may be able to help prevent one of the most deadliest diseases, which is cancer. For a long time now, research has been done on the cruciferous family of vegetables, which bok choy belongs to in regards to preventing cancer. Most of the cruciferous vegetables were found to have compounds like sulfur, glucosinolates, and selenium. The power of bok choy is quite high for fighting off cancer because a study showed that eating bok choy only once a week lowered the risk of oral, kidney, stomach, and breast cancer. That's really impressive for eating something only once a week. Thanks for watching into the end, and don't forget to join our free Telegram group. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part, and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.